Morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Rahim Sharif and my today's presentation topic is about statistics. Definition of statistics, that what is statistics basically? Statistics is a form of mathematical analysis that uses quantified models, representation and synopsis for a given set of experimental data or a real life study. Statistics studies methodologies to gather, review, analyze, and draw calculations from data. Some statistical measures include the following. So he is the founder of mathematical statistics, and his name was Carl Person. History of statistics. The word statistics have been derived from Latin word status or the Italian word statista. Meaning of this word is political state or a government. Shakespeare used word statistics in his drama Hamlet in 1602. In the past, the statistics was used by rulers. The application of statistics was very limited, but rulers and kings needed information about lands, agriculture, commerce, population of their state to assess their military potential, their wealth, taxation, and other aspects of government. Basic form of statistics have been used since the beginning of civilization. Early empires often collated censure of the population or recorded the trade in various commodities. The Roman Empire was one of the first states to extensively gather data of the size of the empire's population, geographical area, and wealth. During the 20th century, several statisticians are active in developing new methods, theories, and application of statistics. Now, these days are available of electronic computers in certainly a major factor in the modern development of statistics. There is a three main topics in statistics: subject, mean, median, and mode. First, we will discuss mean. Mean is equals to the arithmetic average, and the formula of mean is sigma xy n, where u is equal to the population mean. Sigma x is the sum of the variable x. Add the values of x together, and n is the total number of values. As you can see, a simple example of mean: x is equals to, if we take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the number of total number is 5, so n is equals to 5, and we will substitute in this formula 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 5 is equals to, we get 15 by 5, and we are dividing 15 into 5. So our median will be 3, mean will be 3. Median, this is a simple example of median. Is the median value is called the median is called the mid value of, if we example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if we remove 1 and 2 and 4 and 5, we will only get 3. So this is the median. And mode, the most frequency occurring score. Mode is that if a number is repeatedly coming in a formula, so that will called mode. Example 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. So the 2 is frequently occurring score. So we are taking mode as a 2. Uses of statistics in medical field. Statistics helps in our daily life in many ways. That if a government have to survey a village, they will collect the all of data, that how much number of village, how much number of houses are there in that village, how much number of population of the village, how much number of humans are living this or that. And statistics help in a medical field. That medical statistics is a supplement of statistics. It is the science of summarizing, collecting, presenting, and interpreting data in medical practice. And statistics has a central role in medical investigation. All the pharmacists, all the researchers, first they summarize the drug and they collect the information of the data, and they produce a medicine and they will distribute. The field of medicine is statistics way. Why we need to study statistics, or why the doctors need to study statistics? Basic requirement of medical research, update your medical language, and data management and treatment. Uses of medical statistics. Statistics are used in planning, monitoring, and evaluating community health care programs. Planning, monitoring, and evaluating stands for if you're directing a hospital, a small hospital, if total beds are 50, you will summarize and you will monitor that how much beds I'm distributing in normal patient, how much beds I'm distributing in ICU patients. Diagnostics of community health programs. If the community get health program, health problems, certainly health problems regularly, they will make a big chart of that community and analyze that in a statistics way. Comparison of health status and disease in the different countries and in one country overseas. It compares statistics, helps in compare student. If example, if a COVID patient is increasing 30% in India in one day, then that how much COVID patients are increasing in US in one day. To form standards for the different biological measurements and weight height to different between disease and normal groups. Types of data. Any aspect of an individual that is measured is called variable. Variables are either quantitative data or qualitative data. Quantitative data, it is a numerical data. These data are usually whole numbers such as number of cases of certain disease, number of hospital beds, no medical fraction. Continuous data. It implies the measurement of a continuous scale. Example, height, weight, age, a medical fraction can be present. So all the doctors make a chart of this drug to analyze the situation of that, or to analyze the drug, to analyze the patient rate. In the May month, who what are the nation, what kind of patients are come to the hospital, for what are the treatment they are facing and what diseases they have. So all the doctors make this chart for their workload management, to see, to analyze the patients and to see the managing the word of the data. And statistics help in many ways in our daily life. That I didn't make the slides of every sector, that government sector, that malls also statistics helps in malls, that to work, to get easier their work. But how much number of pants they are consuming from the factory, how much number of shirts they are consuming from the factory, and how much they are purchasing and how much they are selling. And like this, next example is about a kirana store. A kirana store owner also use statistics, indirectly statistics in the daily life. That how much number of uh, cold drinks they have purchased from factory, and how much number of chips they are purchased from factory, and how much number of any other products they are purchasing from the factory. And this will and they will make a book and they will make a chart in the statistical way. So thank you, this was my presentation.